Hello people and welcome to Follow Internet. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can download and install Git on your Windows operating system. Open your favorite browser, git-scm.com, hit enter. Download for Windows, click on it. You can choose 64-bit or 32-bit, depends on your operating system. I want to go with 64-bit. Git for Windows setup, click on it. Our browser download icon, click on it. Click on it, folder icon, show in folder on your computer. Git, right click on it, run as administrator, click on it. After getting this user account control prompt, click on yes. After getting this Git setup wizard, click on next. Click on next with default location. If you want, you can change location. Click on it. Additional icons on the desktop, check it. Next. Click on next. You can go with default. Next. You can go with default. Let Git decide. Click on next. Git from the command line and also from third-party software. This is also recommended. Click on next. Click on next. Next. Click on next. Next. Git credential manager required .NET framework. Click on next. Next. Click on next. Install. Our GitHub setup wizard completing. Now you can simply hit finish button here. Click on it. Now close this browser. You can click on it to open Git bash, or simply you can right click your mouse on your desktop anywhere. After getting this prompt, click on open Git bash here. Our Git bash open. Now we can run couple of Linux command. Make directory. We can create folder with the help of mkdir command. Our folder name Numan. You can create anything. Hit enter. You can see here we are created empty folder with the help of make directory command. Similarly, we can open this folder, cd numan, enter. Inside our folder, we can create couple of files, touch, our file name abcd.txt, enter. Now if I hit ls, enter, you can see inside our Notepad folder abcd.txt file display here. Similarly, inside our folder, open it. This is our Notepad folder that we are created, and inside this is txt file that we are created now with the help of Linux command in our git bash. Thank you for watching this video.